Hey guys! Hello and welcome to Automation School, your #1 source of all things YouTube automation. In today's video, we will be discussing our top 5 men's improvement YouTube cash cow channels so that you can take some inspiration and learn from the best examples of high traffic and high revenue channels. Ready to get started learning? Great, let's get right into it then. So, why men's improvement? Well, men's improvement as a niche for a YouTube channel is extremely profitable and is often dubbed as an evergreen niche within the world of YouTube automation. What does this mean? Well, evergreen means that it is a market or subject matter that is continuously popular and relevant regardless of the passage of time. This means that the demand for products, services, or information related to this niche will not diminish over time, making it a reliable and profitable industry. Men's improvement is a great niche to specialize your new channel in, with high RPM averages that can easily and realistically create a cash cow channel. However, you should probably find some inspiration and examples of the best cash cow channels currently. That's exactly what we're going to do in this video, as we explain the top 5 men's improvement YouTube cash cow channels so that you can create your very own. Artistic Motivation is a YouTube channel that focuses on helping men reach their full potential in life by providing advice and guidance on self-development. The channel's content revolves around the theme of masculinity and covers a wide range of topics, including dating, habits, skills, confidence, and self-improvement. The channel aims to inspire and motivate men to become high-value individuals and to help them grow and develop in various aspects of their lives. The Social Blade statistics for Artistic Motivation reflect the success of the channel's content. The estimated monthly earnings for the last 30 days tops out at $2,000 and the estimated yearly earnings are nearly $27,000, showcasing the financial success of the channel. At the time of recording this video, the channel's subscriber rank was 387,210th and its video views rank were 589th, which demonstrates its popularity among its viewers. Additionally, Artistic Motivation is ranked 1,920th in the Social Blade subscriber rank and 588th in the country rank for Australia. The channel's content is well received by its audience, with daily averages of +234 subscribers and +27,058 video views, and weekly averages of +1.63k subscribers and +189,406 video views. These statistics show the consistent growth of the channel and its ability to attract and retain its audience. The channel's educational rank is 1K, with 46.2% of its audience being interested in education, which showcases the channel's potential to reach a wide and diverse audience. In conclusion, Artistic Motivation is a great example of a faceless cash cow YouTube channel, providing valuable content and achieving financial success through its commitment to self-development for men. Far From Wake is a successful faceless cash cow YouTube channel, as evident from its impressive Social Blade statistics. With a Social Blade rank of 77,802nd, it ranks among the top 100,000 YouTube channels globally. The channel has also performed well in terms of subscriber rank, standing at 1,738th, indicating a strong following. Far From Wake's video views rank is also noteworthy, placing the channel at 408,042nd globally, indicating a large viewership. The channel is also highly ranked in the United States, coming in at 1,490th, making it one of the most popular channels in the country. Furthermore, its education rank of 1,054th suggests that the channel appeals to a wide range of viewers and is not limited to a specific demographic. In terms of earnings, Far From Wake is estimated to earn anywhere between $1,300 to $21,000 monthly, which is a significant amount. Over the last 30 days, the channel has gained 80,000 subscribers and its video views have increased by over 5 million, further solidifying its success. At the time of recording, the estimated yearly earnings of Far From Wake are between $16,000 to $251,700, showing the channel's consistent performance and high earnings potential. These statistics clearly show that Far From Wake is a prime example of a successful faceless cash cow YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, Blokebox, is a faceless channel that caters to the men's improvement niche. It is focused on topics such as the power of Sigma males, the secrets of attraction, and the philosophy of nonconformity. The channel has a significant number of subscribers, video views, and estimated earnings, making it a good example of a successful faceless cash cow channel. Blokebox provides valuable insights and tips to its viewers, who are primarily men looking to improve their lives and become better versions of themselves. The channel is known for its focus on the Sigma male personality type and provides techniques and advice on how to cultivate inner awareness, discipline, and power. The channel is also known for its frank and straightforward approach to difficult topics, such as toxic masculinity and fake friends. In conclusion, Blokebox is a successful faceless YouTube channel that provides value to its viewers through its content, which is focused on helping men become the best versions of themselves. With a significant following and a good earning potential, Blokebox is a good example of a successful channel that is providing a much-needed service to its audience. This YouTube channel, far from average, caters to the men's improvement niche. The videos on the channel are focused on topics such as how to be more attractive to women, how to be more successful with women, and how to improve oneself in various other ways. Many of the videos feature experts in various fields, such as evolutionary psychologists and neuroscientists, who provide insight and advice on these topics. The channel is a good example of a faceless cash cow YouTube channel because it appears to be entirely focused on generating revenue, with little consideration given to the quality of the content or the people behind the videos. While the videos are produced in a formulaic manner, with the same basic structure and style repeated from video to video, it still seems to be working as this channel is bringing in the big bucks. This channel continues to generate significant amounts of money through YouTube's monetization system, thanks to its large and growing audience. By following a formulaic approach, focusing on topics that are known to be popular and generating significant amounts of views, the channel is able to generate significant amounts of revenue through advertising and other monetization methods. This channel is about the Sigma male personality type and how it relates to dating, relationships, and life in general. The channel caters to the men's improvement niche and offers information and advice on a variety of topics related to the Sigma male lifestyle. The channel is a good example of a faceless cash cow YouTube channel because it has a large following and generates significant revenue through advertisements and other monetization methods. The channel has a high number of subscribers and video views, and its estimated monthly earnings are substantial. The channel is ranked high in various YouTube statistics categories such as social blade rank, subscriber rank, video views rank, country rank, and people rank. The channel's popularity is evident in its estimated yearly earnings, which are in the thousands of dollars. In conclusion, this channel is a successful example of a faceless cash cow YouTube channel in the men's improvement niche. The channel's popularity and profitability can be attributed to its content, which is targeted towards a specific audience and provides valuable niche information and advice related to the Sigma male personality type. The channel's success demonstrates the power of targeting a specific niche and providing high-quality content that resonates with its audience. Lastly, as a bonus, here's 2 up-and-coming channels in the men's improvement niche that are applying a healthy mixture of the formulas highlighted above to scale quickly. The Manual. This channel utilizes a mixture of the spiritual and scientific to teach men how to become their best selves in our ever-changing world. From the way they walk, to the way they talk, to the way they dress, the Manual has got you covered. A great example of an up-and-coming faceless cash cow channel in the men's improvement niche. Maneuver. This channel is all about cultivating yourself as high-value man and navigating the world with competence and confidence. With videos that range from dating advice, masculine frame cultivation, and finding purpose, this channel makes another great example of an up-and-coming faceless cash cow channel in the men's improvement niche. In conclusion, the men's improvement niche on YouTube is a profitable and evergreen field that provides a lot of opportunities for content creators. The top 5 men's improvement YouTube cash cow channels discussed in the video: Artistic Motivation, Far From Weak, Blokebox, Far From Average, and Wise Thinker, showcase the potential for success in this niche. These channels have a large following, high video views, and substantial earnings, demonstrating the popularity of men's improvement content on YouTube. What we have highlighted provides valuable insight into the strategies and approaches used by these successful channels and can be used as inspiration for aspiring content creators. In closing, We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to creating your own successful channel. Remember, passion and dedication are key, and always strive to provide valuable content that will help your audience improve their lives. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later, Automators.